Local variable. Okay, observe. What is local variable? What is local variable? Variable declared inside a block is called as, that is inside inner block. Inside any of the inner block you can declare what? Variable. Inside what? Any of the inner block you can declare a variable. Okay. Observe here. Class Anila. Okay. Now void M1. Okay. Now if I declare a variable here, int I equals to double x. This is what? Global non-static variable, right? Now declared outside all inner blocks, right? Now if I declare a variable inside inner block, it is called a local variable. Called as what? Local variable. What is the rule here? Only this block can use this variable. This M1 block only can be using this variable, not other blocks. Not other blocks. Okay. Now other that is the rule. When it will burn means where it is declared. This is what the closing block of Anila. Within the Anil block only an inner block this void M1 is available. Now observe here. When this one will be born means at this period. At this period it will burn. Okay, at this period it will burn. Yes, die. Here it is die. Here it will burn. Okay, na? The block. Okay, starting scope execution it will burn. The block ending scope execution time it will die. Block execution starting scope it will burn. Block execution ending scope time it will die. Any doubt in this? No doubt. Now let us see directly. Variable declared inside a block, that is inside any inner block. Okay. If a variable declared inside any inner block, is called as what? Local variable. Now what is this? Global variable means variable declared outside all inner blocks. Declared outside all inner blocks. Okay. Static means what? If static available at a declaration outside all inner blocks. Outside all inner blocks. Okay. And this one also outside all inner blocks. Static is not available at a declaration outside all inner blocks. Then it is a non-static variable. Then it is what? Non-static variable. Local means what? Variable declared inside what? Yes. Inside a block is called as what? Inside inner block is called as what? Local variable. Okay. Now rule. Only that block can access. Only block can use. Access means what? Call or use. We must provide. This point is very important. We must provide. Observe here. Here initialization I have done, right? I have done initialization, right? You must provide initialization for local variables. If you don't know which value you have to give, you have to provide what? A default value. You have to provide what? You have to give what? Default value. You have to give what? Default value. Now coming to default values, observe this part. For int, byte, short, for long, it is what means 0. Okay. For float, 0.0. Yes, 0.08. For float, double it is what? 0.0. Okay. Now for boolean, it is what? False. For boolean, it is what? False. For user data type variable, for user data type, it is what? Null. Okay, null. Observe here. For byte short, int long 0, For float it is what? 0.0. Okay. For float. Okay, 0.0 here. For double it is what? 0.0. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, 0.0. Okay, just 0.0 only for okay, for double it is what? 0. For double it is what? 0.0. Okay, observe. For double it is what? 0.0. For boolean false. For other one, what is that one? User data type null. Okay. Now observe here. Now observe this example where I declare this variable. Observe here. This is what. Observe here. How to match these things means first to go and look for the first ending scope. Okay. Now match that one with the nearest opening scope. Now I confirmed that this static void M1 is the method. Static void M1 is what? The method. Okay. Now coming to next ending scope. What is the nearest scope for this one? This one. Okay. Now this entire thing is called as public static void main method. Now come for this one. Ending scope. Now is there any opening scope which is unmatched? Yes, this one. Now this one and this one is what? This one and this one is what? Class scope. Now how many inner blocks are there here? One inner block, second inner block. Now within one inner block, I declare a variable. That one is called as what? Local variable. Now here I declare one more variable. User Anil variable, right? A equals to null. I don't know the value. That's why I give what? Null. Now boolean. I don't know the value. That's why it is what? False. Now if I call those variables, what they will give? 0, null, false. Yes or no? Now how to call this M1 method? Because we know that execution always starts from the main method. Yes or no? Main method. Whatever you write within the main method, that only will be executed. Other things will not be. Other things will not be executing. Other things will not execute. They will execute. They will not execute. Okay. Now what the output means? 0, null, false is the output. Observe here, base Anil 0, null, false is the output. 0, null, false is the output. Okay. Now observe this one perfectly. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? Observe here. All predefined data type variables, segregation related things, derived data type variables, and other one is what? User data type variables can act as local and global variables. They can act as what? They can be as what? Local variable and global variables. If I want to declare within the block, I can declare. If I want to declare outside the block also, I can declare. It is possible. It is possible. Okay, this is for the conclusion. This is what about. This is what about our variable. This is what about the. This is what our variables. Done. Observe. Check once. Everything.